Chandigarh-based Venus Remedies is developing a new drug delivery platform that promises to reduce the side effects and cost of cancer medicine by as much as 1/6. To know more about this, the platform, as well as the plans for this platform, we're now joined by Dhirak Agarwal, who's the CFO of Venus Remedies. Mr. Agarwal, thanks very much for joining in right here on ET Now. To start off with, can you give us an indication of the new drug delivery platform that the company has discovered to cure cancer, and what stage of testing is this product currently in?
Yes, it is first in its kind technology for target-based cancer therapy. This is basically conjugation of drug, protein and polymer, in which the protein acts as a magnet which directly attacks the cancerous cells. So that's why it is one of the most effective target-based therapy. It has very clear 4 distinctive advantages over the conventional system of cancer therapy. Since it attacks directly the cancerous cells, so which means that side effects of cancer therapy are reduced considerably. Side effects like we are aware that breathlessness is there, nausea is there, hair fall is there, that are going to be reduced significantly with this therapy. And then a time cycle of the therapy is also reduced considerably. Drug which is required for disease administration is reduced considerably, and as a result of this, overall cost to the patient is reduced. Our preclinical studies have confirmed that drug administration is reduced by 4 to 6 times as compared to the conventional system. So as far as the stage is concerned, we have finished preclinical research, we have finished in vivo and in vitro studies, and we have filed applications for clinical trials. As soon as we received permission for clinical trial, we will commence with clinical trials.
Enough financial muscle to independently conduct clinical trials?
Yes, we have, in the sense that this technology can be used on any drug which is used for cancer, which means that we are planning to use it for around 30 molecules of cancer, and we can always begin one by one. So yes, if we talk about doing it comprehensively and to reduce time to market, then of course we would seek partnerships.
So what is the cost involved in a clinical trial?
Clinical trial, like I said, that if we do it only for one molecule, it may range from $8 to $10 million. But if we do it for 25 or 30 molecules, it will be increased substantially.
Which means you broadly need about $250 million to conduct 30 clinical trials, which is more than your market cap, which means you will have to dilute, or you will have to sell some stake somewhere. No, we are not planning for diluting the stake, but yes, we are open for alliances, wherein that we are open for co-research, we are open for co-branding of the product. We are open for alliances wherein we can join hands with any partner and we can take the product to the market jointly.
On that point, joining hands with any partners, are you in negotiations with anyone as of now?
No, we culminated this research only recently, and yes, we have given a mandate to one of the big fours to find out a suitable partner for us. But as of now, we have not started any negotiations.
So by when can we expect an announcement to culminate on the same?
Maybe another 2-3 months.
What is the market size of this opportunity?
Yes, cancer is around 80 billion global market size. So what we believe is that this technology is going to bring a paradigm shift into the way cancer drugs are administered. So which means that market potential for this technology is huge.
Have you got the initial approvals from US FDA to conduct the clinical trials, or you don't need that approval at this stage?
No, we don't need approval at this stage.
Are all your manufacturing facilities been approved by US FDA?
No, as of now they are approved by European manufacturing practices.
Okay. And if you could just
as
tell
well
us...
as Japanese practices which are as stringent.
Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, please.
So if you can just tell us when we can expect this product to go commercial, what are the kind of revenues that this technology is going to garner for your company, and by when will we see that flowing in?
You see, commercialization of this technology will definitely take around 3 years. And the kind of revenue which can be expected from this technology can be huge. As I said, that it is going to bring a paradigm shift into the way drugs are administered. So that means it is very difficult to put a revenue figure for this technology. But yes, it is going to be a huge potential.
Right, Mr. Agrawal, whereas I'm sure you're excited about this technology, but what about the risk and the cost implications? Do you think for a company which is of your size, which has a market capitalization of 150 crores, can afford to take this risk? Because if I look at the historical averages here, the history tells us that the migration from pre-clinical to clinical and from clinical to stage 1, there's a success rate of about 1:10,000.
No, that you are talking about new molecule. It is not a new molecule. It is a new drug delivery system.
Okay.
Which means that we are not going to introduce any new molecule into the system. Existing molecule can be made much more efficient.